Hello students, myself Dr. Umar, myself Professor of Political Science. Today we are discuss about the special series of using net political science only for English video. Clear? And now in this particular video, we are discuss about the important topic of international relations. And the topic is North-South dialogues. What is the meaning of North? The meaning of North uh, not only about geographical aspects but also economic and political aspects. The North groups is called to rich and developed countries. They belong to rich and developed countries. For the example, USA, here and European countries. Second is South countries. They belong to the poor countries, developing countries, and undeveloped countries. So, what is the meaning of this dialogue? The meaning of this dialogue is that destroy and ending the conflict between North-South countries and focus on the cooperation between North and South countries. Focus on the cooperation between North and South countries. Clear? So, what is the dialogue process and what is the main conferences related to the North-South dialogues? Number one is in 1975. In 1975, Paris Talk. It's called to Paris Talk. It is also called to Economic Cooperation Conference. Clear? Second is Grant Commission. Grant Commission established in 1977. It is a non-government conference and non-government organization institution. Willy Brandt, who was the former Chancellor of Germany. Willy Brandt was the head of this commission, Brandt Commission. So name is Brandt Commission. Willy Brandt was the head of this Brandt Commission. He was the former German Chancellor. And this commission established in 1977. And next is UN Special Conference in 1980. Next is uh, Cancun Conference. Cancun Conference in Mexico in 1981 and New York Conference in 1983. And sterilization of the WTO, World Trade Organization, and the former organization of WTO is GATT. And most important between these dialogues, Earth Conference. Clear? Number one Earth Conference held in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro in 1992. Basically, Earth Conference emphasized on the security of the ozone layer and environment, but also it is the way of dialogue between North and South. Clear? So for this conference, Earth Conference held in Brazil in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 and second held in New York City. Second Earth Conference held in New York City in America. Clear? So dear student, this is the simplest video for North-South dialogues. North meaning is rich and developed countries, and South is poor, developing and undeveloped countries. And dialogue process, 1975, Paris Talk, Economic Cooperation Conference. Number second is Brandt Commission, established in 1977. 1977, it is a non-government organization, and Will Brandt was the head of this commission. So his name is Brandt Commission, and Willy Brandt was the former German Chancellor. Next is UN Special Conference in 1980. Next is Cancun Conference in Mexico in 1981. Next is New York Conference in 1983. GATT, Industrialization of World Trade Organization. WTO also emphasized on the uh, dialogues between the South and North countries. Clear? And important point, Earth's Conference, 1992 in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. In Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, 1992, and second Earth Conference held in 1997 in New York City, America. Basically, Earth Conference emphasized on the issue of environment and security of the ozone layer, but also it is the symbolization of the North and South dialogues. Okay, students. So we discuss about the North-South dialogue. Subscribe to my channel and share and like my video. Okay, thank you.